what we have been doing today, I want to point out that issues, health and climate are very intertwined. And if you look at globally, outdoor air pollution contributes to about 4.2 million premature deaths annually. 4.2 million is not just a number, it's a huge number. That the pollution that we inhale every other day, it will cause deaths of small babies, maybe at birth, sometimes even older people, because of other respiratory diseases that will come with it. Therefore, planting of trees is not just about having a tree which you'll think that it will take a long time before you benefit from it. It's instant. And looking also in Kenya, approximately about 14,000 deaths happen every year, and they are contributed by air pollution. Therefore, this exercise today, and truly speaking, I want to thank His Excellency the President. This is vision par excellence, because globally we are going to rate very high because of just taking care of our environment. And climate change causes water scarcity and sanitation issues. And as a ministry, we are very keen about issues sanitation, clean water. Every time we are saying, clean your hands, wash your hands, drink boiled water, ensure you use a toilet. And I am emphasizing on issues sanitation in this county so that we don't get rated as some of those counties where toilets is a thing of the past.